The succession saga between Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga dates back to the 2017 coup that ousted long-term leader Mugabe. Sanapena masvika muranyuko panapa tiona kuti tension iri pakati pevaviri ava vanhu vochidzokera manje vakati but this critical situation tinenge takambopasvikawo muna 2017. Sanapena masvika muranyuko panapa subscribe like turn the bell icon tipina panapa muzimba vanyora vachiti in what was then a path of inconvenience. The military-backed junta reportedly brokered an agreement that Mnangagwa would serve only one term before passing the torch to Chiwenga, the architect of the coup. However, Mnangagwa's ambitions of extending his leadership beyond the agreed time frame created tension within the party, leading to a prolonged power struggle and ultimately favored Chiwenga. Speaking at the closing ceremony of ZANU-PF 21st National Conference in Bulawayo, Mnangagwa sought to downplay divisions within the party. As the curtain falls on this historic conference, let us introspect. Each of us must question our loyalty to the party, he said. His words resonated as both a call for allegiance and a warning to those who had defied the party lines in pursuit of individual gain. Ndomashwano yachikumendwa nokomana vachiona kuti aiwa tension yavo yairi pakati pavo vari kuzama zvavo kuivanzira but aiwa haisi kuvharika. Vanhu zvavanoti namanyanga riputiri vari kuzama kuriputira vachikwa chirizobuda tiona zvizongofumurika zvoga. Tize mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chivina kuno section medu. Subscribe like turn on the bell icon.